Hey, good morning, folks. Happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Maverick Indicators here. So we are in a long trade, and hopefully you caught the video I made this weekend, walked you through this absolutely insane indicator we're about to give to our lifetime members of the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X bundle. But we've been just crushing it with this indicator. I'll talk about that in a second, but why are we in this trade? Let me close this down. Why are we in this trade? So as you guys know, we always sit out the first candle of the day, which is this guy right here. And this is a reversal candle. It's a gray candle. Gray candles mean reversal or indecision. Obviously, you're not having any indecision at the beginning of the day, first candle of the day. So yeah, we've been coming down here. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. We hit the first candle. We broke above the Maverick guide and we took this thing. You can see where my entry is. So as just a refresher course, this is the Maverick AI Pro. It's coloring my background green. It is giving me green candles to the upside. It is telling me the strength and momentum to the upside by the color of the candle. This blue line is the Maverick guide. When we're below the blue line, we go short. Okay. When you are above the blue line, you go long. Okay. So it's really easy to see. Above the blue line, you go long. Prices below the blue line, you go short. Now, the other thing is the Maverick AI Pro colors your candle. So if you've ever been looking at a candle and you're wondering, what's the strength? What's actually going on behind the scenes with this candle? Let the Maverick AI Pro show you. So hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Gray is indecision or reversal. You can kind of tell indecision means it goes straight across and the market's trying to figure out what it wants to be when it grows up. And then reversal is obviously what we had the first 5 minutes of today. Okay, we were coming down, we shot up. We broke above the Maverick guide. Remember, below the Maverick guide, we go short. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. Bright green candles is your strongest upside candle, by the way. We're waiting for a bright green candle. Easy for you to say. Sorry, it's Monday, and I'm still sipping my coffee. So we had a reversal candle. We broke above the Maverick guide because when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. And then we started to have green candles. I jumped in 4 micros. That's it. I'm literally risking less than $80 on this trade. About a little less than, probably about $18 per contract I'm risking. That is it. 18 bucks a contract. My Maverick Multi-X, this indicator down here, this is 5 traders, all with a different style, all with different preferences, all with different biases. They are, for the most part, all voting bullish, and they are voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5, the 10, the 15, and now they're coming around to the 60. Your 60-minute chart's going to be slower to turn because look, we've been coming down all morning, right? But imagine if you could trade with 5 other expert traders and you could ask them, hey, what do you think? Bearish or bullish on the 1 minute? And then Billy, the expert trader, says, I'm bullish. Mary says, I'm bullish. John says, I'm bullish. And you're like, wow, okay, well, what do you guys think of the 3 minute? And they all give you their vote. This is like trading with training wheels. Imagine if you could trade with 5 other traders. How would that give you edge in the market? And by the way, instead of having 6 charts on your screen all over the place and trying to read them all at once, why not have this nice, neat little box down here with 5 traders voting across 6 time frames? And you can add a 7th if you want. You can change these time frames. You don't have to have these time frames. It makes all the difference in the world, okay? And then my Maverick Trender. By the way, we're starting to get a confidence arrow up, which is beautiful. You see this arrow that keeps popping up? Now, these indicators calculate per tick, right? So as it's reading the market, it's doing that calculation every single tick. And then the Maverick Trender is pegged to the top, okay? When you have strength and momentum in the market, your Maverick Trender will be flat topped. It won't be able to go any further. It'll be pegged to the top. And look at this, we have an uptrend label. I don't even have to go very far to look. I get on my charts and I see green background, green candles, an up arrow, an up confidence arrow. I'm above the Maverick guide. Remember, when your price is above this blue line, we go long. When it's below the blue line, we go short. Above the blue line, long. Below the blue line, short. This is middle of the night trading, but it is what it is. Above the blue line, long. Below it, short. Below it, short. Above it, long. Okay, so you guys get the picture. Can't make these rules any simpler. And the more you see it, the more it's easier, okay, for your brain to recognize that. So we had a reversal candle right off the open, and we started climbing up. We broke above the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. We started taking off. We got into only 4 micros, risking about $18 per contract. That's nothing. We are pegged at the top of our Maverick trender. We have the up trend label, and our Maverick Multi-X is completely green, except for 2 holdouts on the 60-minute. 5 traders all voting across 6 time frames. This is like trading with 5 traders. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, this is how you have edge in the market. Now, that other indicator that I did on this weekend, this is the Maverick Bear Bull, and it is essentially showing you is there more buyers or is there more sellers, and what's the actual result of that. And that's the quick and skinny of it. It's a lot more complex than that. But if you've noticed, that first candle, we stayed out, and then we've been green and above the Maverick Bear Bull cloud the whole way up. It's unbelievable. Super powerful. It doesn't get any cleaner than this, folks. Doesn't get any cleaner than this, okay? So really, really awesome. This indicator will be available for lifetime members of the Maverick AI Pro Maverick Multi-X bundle. You'll get this one for free before we raise the price, actually. And you won't be able to buy this indicator. Same thing with the Maverick Trender. You cannot buy this indicator. It comes with the Maverick AI Pro and Maverick Multi-X bundle, the lifetime bundle, because I want to thank my traders and I want to take good care of them. So look at this thing climb up. We're only making $1.25 a tick per contract. I'm only in 4 contracts. Tiny little risk, large reward, right? That's the way we roll. So imagine I'm only risking about $18 per contract. I'm just moving my stop loss out of the way for this recording so you can see better. Green candles, we're above the blue line, the Maverick guide. When you're below it, you go short. When you break above it, you go long. Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. I have an uptrend label and my Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames, and they're pretty much all voting bullish across multiple time frames. This is how you stack probability in your favor, okay? So listen, if you are interested in getting edge in the market, all right, if you're interested in getting edge in the market, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want, quite frankly, the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading, don't take my word for it, not financial advice, do your own research, come to our site. Come read the reviews from our traders. By the way, welcome to all the new traders that joined this weekend. Oh my goodness, there were so many folks that upgraded to the lifetime license. They were like, this thing's legit. Like, let's go. Let's go. And we had so many folks upgrade this weekend. It was awesome to see. And by the way, these indicators are available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. Okay, so if you're weaning on the lifetime license, jump on it now because it's going to be going up soon. Okay, it's going to be going up soon. And again, for my lifetime members of the Maverick AI Pro Maverick Multi-X bundle, I got some goodies. I got some goodies coming for you. So join up if you're not already. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. Like I always say, we would love to help you crush it.